Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Keandra here of Jolie Noire. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. If you're an oldie but goodie, we love y'all so much. Like and comment, but everybody needs to like and comment. Guys, we are headed to the Nutcracker. Y'all know we've been talking about this for the longest, and now the night is here, but we're almost late. It specifically said on the website, y'all cannot be late, and y'all know how colored people do. We be being late, and so we're trying to hurry up and get up out of here, okay? With that being said, I'm going to just show you guys the scent that I'm wearing tonight, the lip gloss that I'm wearing tonight as well, and just a couple of other things too. So y'all, I got this e.l.f. lippy earlier this year, and I have been wearing this since then, okay? It looks so pretty on, and it just gives you a little pop of color, just a smidgen of color, okay? And so it is the e.l.f. I'm doing the 40-year-old people thing, y'all. The e.l.f. Rose something, okay? I think it's called the e.l.f. Rose. I don't know, what is the color of this, y'all? Glow okay. Y'all, it's the okay, I'm gonna put it down at the bottom of the screen, okay? But it's by e.l.f. and this is the color of it, okay? It's a very pretty color. This is how it looks. This is how the color looks on the doe foot, and it's very pretty. I just have on my Anastasia foundation, and I have the foundation stick on. Y'all, I went for a very simple, very easy look. This is just the Nutcracker ballet, and the lights are going to be dark and dim. Still just wanted to give a fresh Keandra face. I didn't want to build too much on top of that. I just wanted to just, you know, enhance just a smidge, just a little bit, you know. And so I also used the L'Occitane Kambawa Rich Body Lotion. It's the Citrus Road one, okay? Y'all, this stuff smells amazing, and I know that there are many of you who don't really care for citrus scents or like fruity scents, but this one is not your typical fruity scent. It's one of those scents that it's like grown in fruity, if you will. L'Occitane fragrances, even the scent of their skincare line, it's just very soft, light, dainty, pretty, okay? But I read somewhere as it pertains to layering, using a citrus scent first, okay? So this is what I'm starting to do. I use the citrus scent first, okay? I use this first, I let it dry down. And then I put a body spray over top of that. This is the Salt and Stone Bergamot and Hinoki scent. Smells amazing. Tonight, as a third layer, I am using Givenchy Irresistible. It's the Irresistible Rose Velvet, and it smells amazing, y'all. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna add this in our current winter faves because it's definitely a current winter fave of mine. I have on my, I'm not sure if my earrings are doing what they're supposed to be doing, sparkling right now because it's a little bit dark in my room, and so I'll probably show y'all a little later too in the vlog how sparkly they are. But still, so that's the jewelry for tonight. I'm not doing anything on my hands. I am just, you know, going with my nice French nails, okay? And then this is the bag that I'm carrying. It's the bag that Kim got me for Christmas. It's my Kate Spade bag. And so these are the shoes y'all saw in the vlog, maybe a couple of vlogs back, that I was looking at this shoe at Macy's. This is the Kate Spade heeled loafer that I was looking at, and I'm wearing these tonight, y'all. Bomb, so cute. I just really wanted to go for this really chic, classic, collegiate type look. And the turtleneck is from H&M. My cardigan I got from Express a couple of years back, and it is probably one of the best staple pieces that I've ever purchased before, ever. I love the strong sleeve, right? It's got pads, shoulder pads in it. I love the buttons. Just, I mean, it's just so classic, chic, and it's what I'm looking for right now. All right, love y'all.
Okay guys, so really quickly, I just got done wrapping up a little bit of content showing my Instagram, my look, so I haven't posted it yet, but getting that ready. I wanted to show you guys my bag. I'm not showing you guys my full look right now because I don't really have time. But yeah, so this is my bag that Keandra got me for Christmas. It's an early Christmas gift, so I love this bag. It's so cute with my look, and it's by Kate Spade. So I'm so excited about this bag. I wanted this. I wanted something cute and sparkly, and so she got me this. So cute. I'm so excited. And I decided to wear red lip because of the holiday season and my red nails. And I got this. This is a new ring, so I'll be posting that at some point. I want to go and enjoy the Nutcracker. We don't want to be late because we read that if we're late, then we won't be able to get in. We don't want to, you know, push our limits too much because we've already done it. So I'm going to go ahead and go so that we can go. But we do want you guys to enjoy the vlog. We want you guys to like, comment, subscribe so that you will know how the Nutcracker went.
And when you come in, as you can see, we have signs here that tell
Come to the front. Come on in.
Chris M. Mike M. Thank you. I'm going to take you to row C.
Okay.
Watch your step, please. Sure.
Guys, so the Nutcracker was super good, super cute, y'all. Oh my gosh. So I did fall asleep like the first half of it or whatever, but we went and got a hot chocolate and some, a little portion. Went, got a hot chocolate at Intermission and some snacks, and then I was good. Now we're about to get us some food with Mom and Mike, and then we're gonna call it a night. Love y'all.
That's right, Al. We're about the interior, the place setting.
Not at all.
Not even. Worried about the place
Not
setting.
even.
Hey y'all, so we're about to go and run a couple of errands, but I wanted to show you guys what I am putting on today, my scent, what I'm going to be wearing. So y'all, this is the Kambawa Citrus Road. I think I brought this up earlier in the vlog, but this is so good to layer with. Okay, it's by L'Occitane, and I read somewhere that layering with a citrus scent first really helps to carry the rest of your scent all day. Okay, and this really lasts. And then this one is the Salt and Stone Bergamot and Hinoki. It smells really good and it lasts as well, and it really smells good with the citrus. It just really pairs well with that. So I use this next. I was using EOS, but I really don't care for that fragrance anymore, the vanilla one. I was using that as a base layer, but this one here, the Kambawa, is bomb. So next though, I'm using Sublime as the top fragrance. It smells really good with both the citrus and bergamot and hinoki. And I thought that I would share with you guys what I've been wearing, and like by way of fragrances, and it smells really good.
Okay. Do you have your receipt or the gift receipt? That is also very possible.
How long has it been out?
So guys, we are here exchanging Kim's bag, the one that I got her for Christmas, the one from Kate Spade. So we're in Kate Spade right now. We were leaving and a package was at the door. And it was a Kate Spade scarf to go with my bag. So y'all, she got me a Kate Spade scarf to go with my bag that she got me for Christmas. And so while returning her bag, because it had like some like little, I think like a missing bead or something on it. So they are putting my scarf on my little bag. You guys, why are we traveling at 5 and 6 o'clock this morning? Oh my gosh. And then our driver, he was a sweet man, but the way that he turned, he was a sweet man. The way he turned though, the corners and stuff was like super slow. I just didn't understand it, but you know what? We're here. We are here. Guys, we made it through TSA. They took my L'Occitane lotion. I forgot that I had it in there though, but we made it through. Headed to our gate. So y'all, we just got off our flight and we are headed to get our car. And then we're gonna go to Mom's. No, we're gonna go to the hotel. Then we're gonna go to Mom's and help her cook. Y'all see Kim. And help her cook. And we're just gonna have like a little meal tonight. And then tomorrow we're going to eat at Del Frisco's. We have reservations there. And then, yeah, we head back to Atlanta day after tomorrow. So y'all, our flight was pretty good. I know on my side. So we always get Comfort Plus. Now, Booty, this is a big heel. So, okay. This is why I don't be wanting her to drive, y'all. Right there. She scares me. Okay, anyways. So our flight was pretty decent. It was. Actually, we were both asleep. I remember only waking up when the stewardess came through giving the little snacks and drinks. And when she came through, I kind of opened my eyes and then they closed again. And I turned my movies on Home Alone, and Home Alone was watching me. So child, it was a good flight for me. Here's 40. Because now I understand. Now I know what it means to have the TV watching me.
At the light, turn right onto North State Highway 161 Service Road.
Ouch.
Take the exit to merge onto Dallas North Tollway.
Got to get the directions. So we switched out and now we're on the road again, on the way to our hotel to check. Well, we've already checked in, but to like put our stuff down and get settled in. I want to kind of take a nap before we go to Mom's.
Me too.
Because I did not sleep last night. We laid down because we had to get up for 3 o'clock this morning because we were such geniuses when we booked this flight, and we were like, oh, let's book this flight for the morning. I don't do morning flights, guys. I do afternoon flights, and I rarely do evening flights either. But yeah, so the flight was okay. I slept all of it really, and woke up around the time that the beverage cart was coming around. It was cold because it was resting on my head, and I saw a tea bag in my coat. I was like, what? Yeah, a tea bag dropped on me from their thing. So I was like, oh man. Did she realize it? No, I had to give it to her and she put it back in there. But yeah, so that was funny. But after that, I was asleep again. But the thing is that I did not realize there's like this thing on social media where people talk about how men take up a lot of space, like your personal space, and I've never realized that. Like, I never really noticed that before, even after learning about how a lot of women talk about how men take up their personal space. I didn't really realize it until I sat next to this man today. He was in the middle, and I know the whole rules about like the aisle seat is the aisle person's, like their armrest, and then the middle person gets both armrests in the middle. I understand all of that, like, you know, like the rules of the airline, of the of the airplane or whatever, the seating arrangements, and you know how like those unspoken rules. But but be considerate, because like he was literally spread out. I mean, lean man, like very muscular, like not super buff, but like he was very lean, like didn't have very much fat on him at all or anything, like, you know, just a survival fat. And so I'm like, sir, if I'm compacting myself, I'm significantly larger than you gonna have to do that too. His legs were spread wide open. Like, I looked at the seats, the ones, you know, that we were facing, and his knees were in line with the lines. It's like you have to be inside of those lines, and I was inside of the lines, you know what I'm saying? And women have bigger legs than men, even, you know, like without being larger than them. And so like, I'm like, if I can do it, then, you know, our thighs. So like, if I can do it, me too, you know what I'm saying? Like, Me Too movement in this thing, okay? So but yeah, I was just like, it was uncomfortable. It was like I was more uncomfortable sitting next to that lean man than I've been uncomfortable sitting next to a larger person, or a person that's like the same size. And I've been larger than what I even am now. So yeah, I'm like, how do you manage to do that? Like, they say that they spread open and all that to accommodate themselves and all that kind of stuff like that, but I'm like, yeah, I don't think that's necessary. I've seen other men say that's not necessary. No. Oh Lord, what was that?
I was in
Neutral, Lord. Oh. Are you trying to turn on the wipers? It's on the left. Guys, let me get off of here because Keondra's about to get us in whirlwind. Yeah, but yeah, that's my rant for the day. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Smash that like.
Nice. Very nice.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, yeah. I like this, y'all. Oh, that's good. Nice design choices. Oh, cute. Get a view of the water fountain. I don't think we've ever gotten a view of the water fountain.
We never have a mirror over here. We never have a closet. The closet is right here. Well, yeah, we do have a mirror, but we never have this kind. Yeah, but yeah, so y'all, what I have on, this is my, yeah, no, I like my little sets and stuff, even though, well, you know what? I do have a set on, actually. I have on these, what's the name, pants, my leggings by All in Motion, Target. And then I have on my Nike sweatshirt. And so, yeah. And then I have on my Adidas socks and then my New Balance sneakers. So, yeah. That's my travel day look. Now let me call my mom.